You can feel the chill in the air. Summer is almost over. But for today, I decided I'd stay close to home and go for a little walk to our nearby park. I've been doing a lot of reading lately about minimalist type shoes for running and how shoes are not really good for your feet. And I think that was one of the problems that I had. When I wear shoes to work, it seems to hurt my foot. My foot never really healed from the last time. I thought maybe I'd walk naturally. So here I am, walking down to our local park and exercising my foot, trying to strengthen it up. I went to a luncheon the other day and found out that one of our friends from our group from school had just passed away last Wednesday. And it just makes you think that, as we age, we have to enjoy nature a bit and maybe learn how to relax and take it easy. Today I thought I'd stay closer to home. I didn't feel like driving or riding my bike, and just enjoy the park down the block. Lately I feel less in a rush. I just didn't feel like riding my bike or driving my car anywhere. It was better just to stick close to home, go for a little walk and enjoy the fresh air. It won't be long before it gets cold at night, and we'll have to put on our winter clothes. But for today, I'm enjoying the freedom of a little walk down this trail. You can see the leaves are turning. You notice today I have the trail all to myself. There's not another soul in sight. Just what I like, solitude. Walking in the trees, enjoying the trail. I decided to step it up a pace and maybe run a short stretch, but I didn't want to stress my left foot. It's really not back to normal. As I continue walking down the trail, I noticed another path that probably hasn't been used for a while that led through the trees. Luckily the ground is fairly dry. It'd be more muddy if it was raining, but today I don't have any difficulty walking along the path. Doesn't look like too many people walk down this way. It's not very long. It's very nice. If you just have to watch your step a bit for the branches. And I come out and I notice this slide. So naturally, being 6 years old, I have to try my hand at it. Not very long, but here I go. Whoops, I lose my balance a bit there, so I have to go back and try it again. There you have it. About an hour of exercise, solitude, and relaxation, and now I'm on my way home.